Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on a 2011 Lexus ES350. First step is to, of course, open the door, pop the hood. How do you pop the hood? Here is the latch. It's that simple. As you can see, this is a Lexus ES350 2011. Next step is to raise it a little bit. There is a, as you can see, there's a latch, like a lever. You lift it up, push your, most of the cars it's in the middle. And on Lexus they done it to the side. So as you can see in reference to the, and you just put your fingers and just lift it, lift your fingers and lift the hood. And let me show you. Right there, you just lift and it releases. So this is a V6 ES350. I'm going to show you a few other steps. There is those clips. I'm going to show you how to remove them. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the corner, 7 clips. How to remove them. Before you remove the clips, you want to remove stuff like that. Just lifts up. Now put it to the side. Same thing here. It says battery. Put it to the side, and right there's the battery. So, and then let me show you how to remove those clips. So basic tools: a small screwdriver or anything small enough so you can put it there, as you can see, and just pops out. Once this inner piece pops out, then this whole thing just lifts up that easily. Same thing, put it back. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand, so I'm holding the light. So put it back, make sure you align this piece with that piece, put it there, and then push it back. So that's how you will reinstall those clips back. So I'm going to remove everything and show you the next step, getting to the battery. One more thing I want to mention, when you remove those clips or these plastic clips, I want you to notice that don't be surprised if one of them is shorter and the other ones are longer. The reason why, car was serviced at the dealership, so they weren't taking their time to carefully remove them, so they were jamming them, pulling them, ripping them out, so they're broken. So it's going to be a little bit more challenging to put them back in the hole, because, see if I can get you close, up close. Right there, you see, one is longer, the others are shorter, so it's broken. So I'm going to replace them, find them online. That's what happens when people work on cars and don't care much about them when it's not theirs. So to remove this plastic, to get to the battery, you lift it up, you lift it here, and just slide. Same way you're gonna put it back. Lift it up there and then slide it, and so that's pretty much the way to put it back. And there's the battery. So how to change the battery is Another bolt actually. See if you guys can see it right there. That's the bolt. So those two bolts, that one there has to be removed, and this one there to get to the battery. Once you loosen this bolt up and you remove that bolt here on this for my finger, you can actually just turn it and put it to the side. You're not gonna scratch any paint or anything or damage anything because it's all plastic protected there. Next step is to remove the battery. I don't know if you guys can see the date. Date is 10/13 of the battery, and now it's 2016 summer. So the battery is not even 3 years old, and it's already dead. So it tells you something that these batteries are just don't last. Not sure if you guys can see or not, but there is some moisture at the bottom of the battery. So the battery probably, I'm not sure, cracked or not sure what that is. So I'm gonna wipe it out, wipe it clean, and put a new battery. So here is the date, and here is where it started leaking from the top. See the oxidation, corroded. That's an acid was coming out from the battery. Let's see if we can see anything from the bottom. Not sure, can't see if it's leaking or maybe it's just from the rain the day before I drove. And replacement battery, this is what I'm putting. It's a brand new Max Everstar battery. Seems to be there, according to, I did some research on it, they're one of the highly rated batteries for the fraction of the cost to the other brands, not the higher brand, to the other brands that are out there you can buy. So, and that's the size 24F, 5-year warranty. So we'll see how long this one will last. Size of this Lexus battery, original OEM, as you can see, 10 and 1/8. 10 and 1/8 length, depth for how wide it is, 7 and it's not even 7 actually. It's, let's see, it's 6 and 3/4, as you can see, and height it's about 8 inches. Let's see. Yeah, it's about 8 inches height. It's a little bit less, like 7 and 7/8 or something like that. So using this tool that I showed you earlier, I'm going to clean the battery terminals so I have a better connection. And actually this whole thing comes out. Whole thing comes out, so it just push it to the side, lift it up. So there is a little hole up there. Let's see if I can show you guys what I mean. Actually right there. That's how you put it back to the side, and it comes out. So you don't get anything into your eyes. So now I'm putting the battery back. This new battery. Don't forget, make sure negative, positive. When the battery comes, it has red on positive caps and black on negative. Make sure you put it back correctly, otherwise you're going to damage your electronic, your car's electronics. So, like I said earlier, keep in mind that this brand Everstar Max battery is about 1/4 inch higher and 1/4 inch narrower. So factory battery is a little bit wider, 1/4 inch, and lower 1/4 inch. This brand is 1/4 inch higher. It's higher 1/4 of an inch and narrower 1/4 inch. So make sure when you put this bracket, not sure if you guys can see or not. See right there, that gap? Gap is on a, right there, there's a gap. So make sure when you put it back and tighten it, don't over tighten it because you're going to crack the battery. Keep that in mind. And try to align it so it's the battery is between those two mounting points. So keep that in mind. So I'm not sure if it's a good idea to buy Navistar or not, but I will give it a try. We'll see. Slide underneath here. Set it. Show you align everything. And that's it. Put your clips back and it's good to go. Oh, one more thing I forgot to. Maybe a good idea to spray to prevent from corroding. Other plastic pieces. So that's how you replace a battery on a Lexus. Enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, and hopefully you learn something from this, that not all batteries are the same size, width and height, and sometimes it's worth looking at the battery itself, how it looks from the top. Well, now you guys know that battery that I purchased might not be the best battery for in terms of fit for this vehicle. What other batteries might be better?